Quetta is the capital of Balochistan, Pakistan's largest province. Balochistan is a land of rugged mountains, arid deserts and hidden oases. For centuries, Quetta has been an important trading center. It lies on the crossroads of South Asia and Central Asia. The city has seen the passage of many travelers and conquerors. These include Alexander the Great, Genghis Khan, and the Mughals. Each left their mark on this ancient city. Quetta's diverse population reflects its rich history. Pashtuns, Baloch, Hazaras and Punjabis all call this city home. This blend of cultures is what gives Quetta its unique character. The city is a melting pot of languages, traditions and cuisines. Quetta's strategic location made it a British military post in the 19th century. The British Raj left behind a legacy of colonial architecture. This can still be seen in buildings like the Quetta Museum. Today, Quetta is a vibrant city, a unique blend of the old and the new. Quetta is located in a valley, nestled amidst a stunning landscape that captivates visitors and residents alike. It sits at an elevation of over 5,500 feet above sea level, making it one of the highest cities in Pakistan. Towering mountains surround the city on all sides, creating a natural fortress that has protected and defined Quetta for centuries. These mountains give Quetta its nickname, Little Paris, a testament to its enchanting beauty and charm. This name comes from the city's pleasant climate and natural beauty, which are reminiscent of the famed European city. To the north of Quetta lies the Chiltan mountain range, a majestic expanse that adds to the city's scenic allure. This range is home to Hazarganji Chiltern National Park, a sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for nature enthusiasts. This park is a paradise for nature lovers, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, visitors can find juniper forests, sparkling streams, and stunning views of the surrounding peaks, making it a perfect spot for photography and relaxation. The park also protects a variety of wildlife, including the mark hor, a wild goat with magnificent spiral horns, which is a sight to behold. West of Quetta is Ziyarat, a hill station famous for its juniper forests, which are among the oldest in the world. Some trees are estimated to be over 5,000 years old, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Ziyarat is also home to the Ziyarat Residency, a summer retreat for the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, adding historical significance to its natural beauty. South of Quetta lies the Mastung Valley, known for its orchards of apple, peach and pomegranate trees, which provide a bounty of fresh fruits. The valley is a popular destination for picnics and day trips, where families and friends gather to enjoy the natural surroundings. Visitors can enjoy the fresh air and the beautiful scenery, making it a perfect getaway from the urban environment. These mountains are not just a beautiful backdrop to the city, they are an integral part of Quetta's identity and ecosystem. They are also a source of fresh air and water for Quetta, contributing to the city's health and vitality. The mountains offer opportunities for hiking, trekking and mountain climbing, activities that attract outdoor enthusiasts. These activities attract adventurers from all over the world, eager to explore the rugged terrain and breathtaking vistas. Quetta's natural surroundings make it a unique and picturesque city where the harmony between urban life and nature is beautifully maintained. Quetta has a continental climate. This climate is characterized by hot summers, cold winters, and short, mild spring and autumn seasons. The city's high altitude means that the air is always dry. This makes the heat of summer bearable and the cold of winter less severe. Summer in Quetta lasts from May to September. The days are hot and sunny, temperatures can reach up to 35 degrees Celsius. However, the evenings are cool and pleasant. This makes it a good time to enjoy outdoor activities. Winter in Quetta lasts from November to February. The days are cold and temperatures can drop below freezing point. The city receives occasional snowfall during the winter months. This transforms the landscape into a winter wonderland. Spring and autumn in Quetta are short and mild. They are the most pleasant times of the year. The days are sunny and warm, and the nights are cool and refreshing. Quetta's climate is as diverse as its culture. It offers something for everyone year-round. Quetta and its surrounding areas are home to a variety of flora and fauna. This region, nestled in the heart of Balochistan, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and biodiversity. The region's unique climate and geography support a diverse ecosystem. From arid plains to lush highlands, Quetta's landscape is a mosaic of habitats that sustain a wide array of life forms. One of the most striking features of the region's flora is the juniper forests. These ancient woodlands are not only a visual delight, but also play a crucial role in the local ecosystem. These forests are found in the higher elevations of the Chiltern and Ziyarat mountains. The altitude provides a unique environment where these hardy trees can thrive. Juniper trees are known for their hardiness and longevity. They can withstand harsh climatic conditions and continue to grow where other plants might fail. Some of the trees in these forests are thousands of years old. Their gnarled trunks and twisted branches tell stories of centuries gone by. These trees have witnessed the rise and fall of empires. They stand as silent sentinels, bearing witness to the passage of time and the changes it brings. The juniper forests are home to a variety of animals, including the mark hare, the wild sheep, and the snow leopard. These species rely on the forest for shelter and sustenance. The mark hare is the national animal of Pakistan, known for its impressive horns. These majestic creatures are a symbol of the country's rich natural heritage. The snow leopard is a rare and elusive creature, perfectly adapted to life in high altitudes. Its presence in the juniper forests is a testament to the health of this unique ecosystem. In the lower elevations, the vegetation consists of shrubs, grasses, and wildflowers. These plants create a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures across the landscape. These plants are adapted to the arid conditions. Their resilience allows them to survive and flourish in an environment where water is scarce. They provide sustenance to a variety of insects, reptiles, and birds. This intricate web of life is a testament to the adaptability and interdependence of the region's flora and fauna. The chukka partridge is a common sight in the hills around Quetta. Its distinctive call and striking appearance make it a beloved part of the local wildlife. The flora and fauna of Quetta are an integral part of the region's natural heritage. They contribute to the area's unique character and charm. Efforts are being made to protect these valuable resources. Conservation initiatives aim to preserve the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The aim is to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy their beauty and wonder. By safeguarding these natural treasures, we're securing a legacy of biodiversity and natural splendor for years to come. Quetta is home to a number of historical and natural landmarks. Nestled in the heart of Balochistan, this city offers a unique blend of history and nature. These landmarks provide a glimpse into the region's rich past and its natural splendor. From ancient ruins to breathtaking landscapes, Quetta has it all. One of the most fascinating landmarks in Quetta is the Quetta system. This ancient irrigation system is a marvel of human ingenuity. This is an ancient network of underground tunnels. These tunnels were meticulously constructed to harness and transport water. These tunnels were built centuries ago to transport water from the mountains to the city. The Quetta system ensured a reliable water supply for agriculture and daily use. The Quetta system is a marvel of engineering. It showcases the advanced understanding of hydraulics and geology by ancient engineers. It is a testament to the ingenuity of the people who built it. Their knowledge and skills have stood the test of time. Another important landmark is the Bolan Pass. This pass has been a crucial gateway through the mountains for centuries. This is a narrow mountain pass. Its rugged terrain has challenged travelers for generations. It has been a strategically important route for centuries. The Bolan Pass has seen the passage of traders, invaders, and explorers. It connects South Asia to Central Asia. This connection has facilitated cultural and economic exchanges over the ages. The Bolan Pass has been used by traders, invaders, and explorers. Each group has left its mark on the region's history. Quetta Bazaar is a vibrant and bustling marketplace. It is a hub of activity where locals and visitors alike come to trade and socialize. Visitors can find a wide variety of goods for sale, including spices, fabrics, handicrafts, and fresh produce. The bazaar is a sensory delight with its colorful displays and aromatic scents. These landmarks, both natural and man-made, are a testament to the enduring spirit of Quetta. They reflect the city's resilience and rich cultural heritage. They're a reminder of the city's long and storied past. Quetta's history is etched into its landscapes and architecture, offering a window into a bygone era. Agriculture plays a vital role in the economy of Quetta and the surrounding areas. The region's fertile soil and favorable climate allow for the cultivation of a variety of crops. These crops include fruits, vegetables, and grains. Wheat is one of the most important crops grown in the region. It is a staple food for the local population. The wheat fields of Balochistan are a sight to behold. They stretch as far as the eye can see and turn a golden brown during the harvest season. Quetta is also known for its fruit production. The region's orchards produce an abundance of apples, grapes, pomegranates, and almonds. Pistachios are another important crop in the region. The agricultural products of Quetta are essential to the local economy and cultural identity. The fresh fruit, vegetables, and nuts are a source of pride for the local people. Quetta is an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The city is surrounded by mountains, valleys, and rivers, making it a perfect base for a variety of activities. These activities include trekking, hiking, camping, and fishing. The Chiltern mountain range offers a range of trekking and hiking trails that cater to all levels of fitness. For experienced trekkers, the summit of Hasaganji Chiltern is a challenging but rewarding climb. For those who prefer a more leisurely experience, there are many shorter trails in the hills around Quetta. The Hana Lake is a popular spot for picnics and boating, located a short drive from Quetta. Camping is another popular activity in the region. Fishing enthusiasts can cast a line in the Job River or the Bolan River. Quetta's natural beauty and its proximity to a range of outdoor activities make it a must-visit destination. The people of Quetta are known for their warmth, hospitality and resilience. They have a deep connection to their land and their culture. The Pashtuns are the largest ethnic group in Quetta. They are known for their strong traditions and their love of music and dance. The Balok people are known for their hospitality and their nomadic traditions. The Hazaras are a distinct ethnic group with Central Asian features and follow the Shia sect of Islam. Despite their different backgrounds, the people of Quetta live together in harmony. Visitors to Quetta will be struck by the warmth and hospitality of the local people. They are always happy to help visitors and share their culture and traditions. Quetta is a city of contrasts. It is a place where the old and the new, the traditional and the modern all coexist in harmony. It is a city of rugged mountains and fertile valleys, of bustling bazaars and tranquil parks. Quetta is often overlooked by travelers to Pakistan, but those who visit are rewarded with a unique and unforgettable experience. From the ancient Karez system to the stunning juniper forests of Ziyarat, Quetta is a city full of surprises. Quetta is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the true heart of Pakistan. It's a city that will capture your imagination and leave you with a profound sense of wonder.